Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Polish ebook before it's gone.
Listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
Dziękuję za obiad.
Nie ma za co.
Masz czas jutro?
Jaki to dzień tygodnia?
Czwartek.
Niestety mam spotkanie w pracy.
Now you'll hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
Dziękować.
To thank.
Obiad.
Dinner.
Czas.
Time.
Jutro.
Tomorrow.
Praca.
Work. Job.
Dzień tygodnia.
Day of the week.
Spotkanie.
Meeting.
W.
In.
Czwartek.
Thursday.
Jaki?
What type? What kind? Describing masculine nouns.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
Dziękuję za obiad.
Nie ma za co.
Masz czas jutro?
Jaki to dzień tygodnia?
Czwartek.
Niestety mam spotkanie w pracy.
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.